All right, let's try this again. So, the right one, this guy right here, goes on this side. So I'm going to put this in its position. I'm going to take a 1/4-inch drill bit, and I'm going to mark where it goes. Hold it all the way at the back, all the way against the wall, outer part of the wall here. Spin the drill bit to mark it. You see my mark right there. Drill, try not to get into my leg. Drilled. Got some little side cutter things here. I'm going to make sure all the pieces of metal are kind of out of the way of the holes, so that way my washer will fit flat. Again, all I'm doing is just, the drill bit kind of left some boogers on the outside. All I'm doing is cleaning them up. Make sure to clean here. Blow a little bit. Don't tell the wife. I'll come back with a vacuum and clean up later. Okay, so then I need to get a bolt. Comes with the kit. So I send you the stuff. I got a washer on the outside. The bolt comes in from the outside. Holder. Okay, well, it should hold. Must have pushed some stuff back in when I. Right out of this hole. There we go. Okay, now I just need to get my washer started on there. There's a couple different ways to do this. Not washer. Nut. I haven't found a great way yet. I just try to put it up there by it, then use a screwdriver on the outside to get it started. Sometimes it just doesn't start like it to. There it did. So now I can switch to my 7/16 socket and start tightening. Holding the outside with my screwdriver. It's plastic, I don't want to go cray-cray, but then I use, kind of captures the socket pretty good. I use something to kind of get the socket back. Come here, socket. There we go. And then you stick your cap on it. And if your cap is not tight, I guess a little bit of super glue would hold it, but the interference fit is pretty tight. In fact, you've got to get your mouth just right to get it lined up. Obviously, I'm not. Probably because my fingers are cold. Here, wet. Push it in until she's flat, like that. I got it. There it is. Ta-da! Repeat on the other side. Thanks.